this is Esther.
Alfred here.
Of You, Me, and Sicily. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about Etna, or Mama Etna, as they call her here.
It's the biggest influencer on the entire east coast of Sicily. That's what I know.
Hey, here's something interesting. 500,000 years ago, there was already volcanic activity down in Etna, not far from us, even before Etna was born.
You see, even with today's eruptions, Sicily is still growing, Esther.
And still evolving. Enjoy this episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Call her Mount Etna, Mama Etna, Mongibello in Italian, or in Sicilian, Mongibedu, or just Etna. She is the ever-present, powerful, majestic volcanic mountain in eastern Sicily. Etna is in a constant state of activity, making it the most active volcano in Europe and one of the most active in the world. At almost 11,000 feet high, she's the highest volcano in Europe, and its majestic presence can be seen for miles around the island. Each season ushers in a new look for Etna. Each day, her mood or activity differs, never the same on any given day. For thousands of years, Etna has provided rich volcanic soil and ashes that act as fertilizers, yielding to lush vegetation, luscious and plentiful fruits, vegetables, nuts, wines, and olive oil unique to the area. Each village around Etna has a character and charm of their own. In the summer, Italians and Sicilians escape the heat to popular Etna vacation spots like Nicolosi, Belpasso, and Randazzo, seeking cooler temperatures in mountain villages. Zaffarana Etnea hosts one of the largest October festivals in Italy, featuring its bountiful harvest from the surrounding area, including Etna apples, pears, honey, wines, nuts, mushrooms, and so much more. Wines from Etna, especially the Etna Rosso from villages like Lingua Glossa and Viagrande, are gaining popularity similar to Nero de Avola.
Etna wine is special because come from a special volcano. Etna is a mother for us. It's not just a volcano, it's female, and do beautiful grapes, and from these grapes we try to do a best wine that we do. We produce this wine that is called the Etna, that means about Etna, because in our wine we try to explain what is Etna inside in the bottle.
Under this vineyard, you can see the different layers of volcanic activity dating back 30,000 years. And it's this volcanic soil that gives the earthy flavors and the potential for the Etna wines to age and evolve. Trecastagni, San Alfio, and Padara are also known for their oils, wines, and nuts, while the pistachios from Bronte are internationally recognized.
Something that makes it special is the volcano, actually, because you can see the Etna. So the soil is very different because the pistachio plants grow on rocks. As you can see, this is what we call pietra lavica. So it's lava stones that gives mineral and flavors to the pistachio. So it's very different from Syrian pistachio or pistachio that grow in Turkey, for example.
Some of Italy's best cheeses, meats, and ricotta come from this area. Etna also serves as a playground for hikers, skiers, and nature lovers all year round. inspires art. Her lava is used as decorations or jewelry.
Molto belle, originali e uniche.
The area around Etna is built with her lava stones in contrast to other parts of the island. But Etna also destroys. One of the most destructive eruptions started in 1669 and produced lava flows that destroyed at least 10 villages before reaching the city walls of Catania. The lava was largely diverted by walls into the sea to the south side of the city, filling the harbor of Catania.
Etna was not really a deadly volcano because, people lived here by a lot of time, but they live not really near to the craters where there is the biggest activity, but they are quite far. And it have a type of activity that is mainly made by lava flow, and the lava flow really slow, especially here in Etna. In Hawaii it can be faster, but our type of lava, people had the time to escape.
The Etna Museum in Viagrande is dedicated to teaching the world about this volcano. The Silvestre Craters at Refugee Sapienza, a popular tourist attraction, was created during the eruption of 1892. The eruption lasted 173 days, covering about 5 miles until it touched Rossi Mountains on the eastern side, stopping just above Nicolosi. An eruption in 1928 completely destroyed the village of Sicily in 2 days. In modern time, Etna has erupted dozens of times, affecting air travel, the weather, and of course, farmers' produce. No matter how many pictures or videos you see of Etna, nothing can replicate her majestic beauty when you see her in person. She truly is Mama Etna.
So, Alfred, what was your favorite part of this story?
The fact of the matter is you could look at Etna every single day, and she looks different every single day. That's what I think.
Her mood, her colors, just spectacular. If you've enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, go to our website, www.youmeandsicily.com. All our videos are right there.
And don't forget our Facebook page.
Oh, yeah. You, Me, and Sicily. Thanks for watching.
Ciao.
Ciao.